A camp stove can be a vital piece of gear. It's what gets you that first cup of coffee in the morning, and it's your last line of defense against a cold meal at camp. I've used several different stoves over the years, and today I'm not going to talk about claims or specs. In this video, I'm sharing what's actually worked for me at camp and what hasn't. So let's kick things off with the most basic one, the backpacking stove. The backpacking stove is about as simple as it gets. It boils water fast, which is perfect for coffee or rehydrating a freeze-dried meal. And if you're just heating up soup on the trail, it's all you need. But it's pretty much limited to that, and if the wind picks up, you're going to have a bad day. You can make a step up to the JetBoil, which handles the wind a bit better and is more compact and fuel efficient. I believe the Tabletop Butane Stove is the perfect entry-level stove. This was my go-to stove for years. It packs away nicely, it's easy to use, and has good flame control. The downside? Its butane fuel source struggles in cold weather, and that's the main reason I no longer use it. But if you're in the market for your first stove, this one's hard to beat. If I'm setting up camp for a couple of days, the propane-powered 2-burner stove is what I want. It's easy, reliable, and it cooks like my stove at home. 2 burners mean real cooking, like bacon and eggs, or even a full dinner. But it's not something that I want to deal with for a quick stop or when space is at a premium. It's a bit much unless I have the room and I'm out for more than a night or two. The JetBoil HalfGen is my new go-to camp stove. It's smaller than the 2-burner and more versatile than the backpacking stove. It's a compact stove with a frying pan that you can actually cook with instead of just heating things up. It's compact, easy to use, and the flame control is much better than most camp stoves that I've cooked on. The downside is the propane fuel source that packs separately and offsets some of the space savings that you gain from the HalfGen's compact design. Each stove has its place. If I just need coffee, I go with a backpacking stove. If I'm camping for a while and I have the space, I like the 2-burner. And if I want a real meal in a compact package, the HalfGen is tough to beat. Did I leave anything out? I'd like to know what your go-to stove is for camping. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see these stoves in action, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.